Hi beautiful people, this is Priceless Clip Makeover, and on today's program I'll be teaching us how I achieved this bridal hairstyle. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And to my old subscribers, thank you for sticking around, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think on the comment section. Alright, so this is my client. You already have seen how she came in, and you will see how she left if you stick around to the end. So I'm just going to use a big comb to run her hair over, like comb the hair thoroughly to make sure there's no bridge underneath it. So when I'm done using the big comb, I will also use a small rattle comb, that's a V.pin comb, to also comb the hair. The hair is already washed and moisturized, so I will be using the small comb now to comb through again to make sure there's no bridges underneath the hair. So this is me doing it, and I'll be parting the hair step by step to make sure, because the hair has growth already and the client doesn't want to relax or retouch it yet. So I will be making sure to comb thoroughly and to run through over the hair. So if this bridal hair is a back slick, you are going to be parting it and making your base right at the back slick. The same thing if it is a middle slick, you will pack up onto the middle, and if it is a front slick, you will do the same. So I was telling my students that was assisting me the same thing here, that if it is a back slick bridal hairstyling you want to achieve, that means you'll be parting it step by step as I'm doing it, and making sure the hair will come, the base will come right at the back. So guys, let me quickly tell you that my client is a very shy person and she didn't want to face the camera squarely, so that is why we are facing the camera like this. But not to worry, you are going to be getting the full gist and you'll be seeing the whole thing in full detail. So this is a black thread that I have folded. I folded it like 4 by 4 to get in 8, so that the thread will be thick, because the thread need to be thick for a firm hold. So I was telling my students that if you want a back slick frontal or gel styling, that means you have to part and make your base right at the back. But my client doesn't want a back slick, she wanted a middle slick bridal hairstyle, and so we are going to be doing what she wants. After all, is her money, is her pay, is her choice, is her preference. And so the same thing that you would have done if it was a back slick is the same thing you will be doing right here at the middle slick. So you have to part small to make a base, to form your base at the middle. This is what I'm doing right there. I'm forming my base with a little pattern, so I will just go right round and then form my base. I'll be dropping every product and materials that I use for this bridal hairstyling in the description box, so feel free to check it out, and also let me know what you think about this hairstyling at the end of the day in the comment section, guys. So I'm just forming my base, as you can see, making sure to get a really sleek gel styling, you have to make sure that you do your combing rightly. You make sure to sleek very well. Even if it's a virgin hair, you make sure to give it a smooth combing. So this is Spirtz gel spray that I'm using to wet my base, so that I will have a tight base, a very smooth base for the rest of the hair. And I'm going over to tighten it with that my black thread I showed you before. For a more comfortable gripping, you don't have to use a very long thread. Instead, you can go over as many times as you want so that you will not be inconveniencing yourself and your client. So I just gave a knot like 3 times so that my base will be strong, because that's where I'll be slicking the rest of the hair too. Now this is my gel. The gel I'll be using, Eco Was, that's age control. I just made my client hold and assist me in this process. So I'll be using my age control brush to smoothen the gel.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one
I'll be doing this step by step until I smooth and slick the hair completely. So the process is just pat the hair, smooth it into the base, gel it, spray and gel it.
I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore.
So if you look at what I'm doing very closely, after patting small portion of hair, I'll slick it into my base and use my picking comb to smooth it very well before I tie or before I give a knot.
Find my forevermore, the more forever.
And then I'll be gelling it as you are seeing. So if you focus well, you will see that it is very easy and simple. You can even do this on your own hair.
Every storm, you're my guiding light. In your eyes I see the stars align. With you I'm whole, with you I'm complete. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you.
You can use any gel of your choice once it's giving you what you want. I prefer most times using my Eco Gel Was to give it a very smooth and firm grip and achieve a very smooth finishing, because especially if the hair I'm working with has growth inside or is a virgin hair, I normally prefer using this age control.
Feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore.
And as a bridal hairstylist, I don't have to go with gels like Petals gel, all these very liquid gels, because I may not have the opportunity to dry it faster where I will be working. So I prefer using age control most of the times.
In your love I find my forevermore. In your arms I feel alive. With you I soar and thrive. A love story written in the skies. In your love my spirit flies. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love, a love story in mid-free storm. You're my.
So working with this Spirtz gel spray will help your age control not to give that whitish finishing on the hair. So if you are using an age control that you are not sure of, so it's better you work with the Spirtz also, so that if you are spraying and working the two of them together on the hair, it will not give that whitish finishing. So
a guiding light in your eyes, I see the stars align with you. I'm whole with you, I'm complete in your love. My heart finds its beat. Love everyone, sweet love, it's you I dream in love. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore in your love. My finds its beat. Every warmth, it's you I dream in of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore in your love. My heart finds its beat. Love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment.
at this point, as you can see, the hair is leaking already, even when I'm not yet done.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I.
So I'll be parting the front side of the hair to achieve this look. So I've just slicked the hair completely and I've spread my oil sheen already. So this is how the hair is looking, and I'm about to attach my expression attachment. You can use any extension actually, but the bride wanted this expression attachment to be used so as to achieve that bridal glow.
In your love, I find my
So I've just used rubber band to attach the extension on the hair.
More, the more, through every storm.
This is a one full pack attachment, and voila, this is the hairstyle. This is what we got at the end of the day. If you want to see how I wrapped the extension around, please check out my others videos and you will see how I got this.
My guiding light, in your eyes I see the stars align. With you I'm whole, with you I'm complete.
So I'm just going to be trimming and trimming off flyouts for the hair to look neat and beautiful. You should not leave your hair untrimmed, because the flyout will make your work look tattered and very unkept and unprofessional. So I'll be using my scissors to trim and tame flyouts. I use V.pin, that's V.pin, to secure the hairstyling like this. And yeah, inside it was also a hair padding to give the hair a base and a lift.
In your love, my heart finds its beat. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love, I find my forevermore. In your arms, I feel alive. With you, I soar and thrive.
So after trimming, I'll be using my invisible net to cover the hair.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the
I will cover it tightly and neatly and then use my bobby pin to secure the hair finally.
one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's
As a mobile hairstylist or bridal hairstylist, you don't necessarily need to be sewing and sewing. V.pin will help you do the job. And so this is the final look. This was how the hair was looking like before I trimmed and covered with invisible net. And look at the glow. The bride is briding. Voila, this is her final look. Let me know what you think about this hair. Will you be rocking it? If you're a bride, would you be rocking this hairstyle? Would you be recommending it? Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye.